Hello, see you again in my channel, Love Learning Channel, with me, Miss Widiani. Well, today we're going to talk about biography text part 1. So we will have two parts, and now we will have the explanation first. The first one, we will talk about the definition. What is the definition of biography text? It is a detailed description or account of a person's life and written by someone else. It is a non-fiction text. And now we come to the function of biography text. The first function is to know a person's story about his or her life outside of any accomplishment this person may be known for. Untuk mengetahui kisah seseorang tentang kehidupannya di luar pencapaian apapun dan orang ini mungkin dikenal. And the second one, to give much information easily and educate the readers. Memberikan informasi dengan mudah dan mendidik para pembaca. So there must be a lesson about this person that can reader get from the biography itself. And then after we talk about the function, now we will come to talk about the characteristic of biography. First of all, biography is always written in the third person. Selalu ditulis dengan sudut pandang orang ketiga, jadi ditulis oleh orang lain. The second, based on research or facts, harus berdasarkan fakta. Next, the third, it describes the person's surroundings, where, when, and how the person lived. And for the last, use vivid language to narrate events. Jadi kejadiannya harus berurutan antara satu kejadian dengan kejadian yang lain. And the next one, it's about generic structure. The first is orientation or introduction. It is the opening paragraph gives the reader the background information of the person. And then for the next structure is the events. In the events, it should be in chronological order. Jadi harus berurutan antara kejadian yang pertama terjadi, kemudian dengan kejadian yang selanjutnya, sampai dengan kejadian yang terakhir yang dibahas dalam teks biografi tersebut. The third one is reorientation or closing. It consists of conclusion or comment of the writer, tell about the achievement or the contribution of the person. Jadi menceritakan atau memuat kesimpulan dan komentar dari penulis yang menyatakan pencapaian dan kontribusi dari orang yang dibahas dalam teks biografi tersebut, sehingga kita bisa mengambil pelajaran apa yang telah dicapainya dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari. And the last one, to talk about biography text, we must use grammar that is simple past tense. To talk about simple past tense, don't forget we use verb to because it is to talk about activities that happened in the past. For the formula or the way to make good simple past tense sentences, we can study again in the next meeting. Please keep watching the next video to discuss the example of the biography text. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you again. And goodbye.